What if AI could run an entire YouTube channel? Could it really take on the creative and technical challenges that come with content creation? That's the question I wanted to explore. I was curious to see if AI could match the human touch. Could artificial intelligence handle all the aspects of content creation from script to screen? Could it understand the nuances of storytelling? I decided to find out. I set up the experiment and prepared for the unexpected. For 24 hours, I handed over the reins of my YouTube channel to the world of AI. It was a bold move. It was a risky move, sure, but the tech enthusiast in me couldn't resist. The thrill of the unknown was too tempting. This wasn't about replacing human creativity. It was about seeing how AI could complement it. It was about exploring the potential of AI as a tool. Could it enhance the creative process? Could it learn my style, my audience, my humor? The challenge was set. The stakes were high. AI would take over my channel for a full day. It was an unprecedented experiment. I was equal parts excited and terrified to see what would happen. The results could change everything. The first step was generating a script. I turned to ChatGPT, the language model taking the internet by storm. This AI has been trained on a diverse range of internet text, making it incredibly versatile. I fed it a few of my previous video topics and let it work its magic. The AI quickly analyzed the input and began crafting a script. The result? A surprisingly coherent script about the future of smartphones. It was structured well and had a logical flow. It wasn't perfect, but with a few tweaks, it captured my voice. I made some adjustments to ensure it aligned with my style. Next up, video creation. Pictory AI was tasked with bringing the script to life. This tool is designed to simplify video creation. Using a vast library of stock footage, it assembled a visually engaging video. The AI selected clips that matched the script's content perfectly. The AI even managed to sync the visuals with the script's pacing. This synchronization added a professional touch to the video. It was impressive to see how it wove together a narrative without any human direction. Then came the voiceover, a crucial element. ElevenLabs, known for its realistic AI voices, took center stage. This tool offers a variety of voice models to choose from. I selected a voice model that closely resembled mine and let the AI narrate the script. The process was seamless and efficient. The result was eerily convincing. It sounded almost like a human narrator. Finally, Canva AI stepped in to design an eye-catching thumbnail. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers. With a few keywords, it generated several options that aligned with my channel's aesthetic. The AI's creativity was impressive. With the AI-generated video uploaded, the waiting game began. The 24-hour mark ticked by slowly, each second feeling like an eternity. I couldn't help but refresh the analytics page every few minutes. The suspense was real and palpable. Would my audience embrace the AI-created content, or would they reject it? Or would they see through the digital facade? Comments started pouring in rapidly. Some viewers were impressed by the AI's capabilities and creativity. Others were quick to point out the subtle differences in style and delivery. But one thing was clear. The AI had sparked a conversation among viewers. So, how did the AI fare in this ambitious experiment? The video garnered a respectable number of views, although it didn't shatter any records. It was clear that the AI-generated content had piqued some interest. The likes and comments were a mixed bag, reflecting a range of opinions from the audience. Some viewers appreciated the novelty of the experiment, finding it fascinating and innovative, while others longed for the human touch, feeling that the content lacked a certain warmth and authenticity. Would I let AI run my channel again? It's a tough question to answer. Maybe not the entire thing, but there are definitely aspects where AI can be incredibly useful. The experiment opened my eyes to the possibilities of AI as a creative partner rather than a replacement. It can handle tasks like editing, voiceover, and thumbnail design with remarkable efficiency, freeing up creators to focus on their unique strengths, such as storytelling and personal engagement with the audience. AI content creation is still in its infancy, and there's a lot of room for growth and improvement. But as AI technology evolves, it will undoubtedly play a larger role in shaping the future of YouTube and the digital content landscape. The potential is immense. The key will be finding the right balance between human creativity and AI assistance, ensuring that the content remains engaging and authentic.